is a paper straw. So at first it might sound just like small thing, but this tiny object is part of something much bigger, a global conversation about language and development. So that's where ecolinguistics comes in. Ecolinguistics is the study of how we change the way we see and we treat the natural world. According to Study 2021, ecolinguistics is helping us to understand that language is not just for communication. It actually influences how we feel, what we believe, and what we choose to do. In other words, like language can either help protect the planet, or it can allow us to ignore the damage what we're doing. So let's talk about plastic straw for a moment. For many years, we see plastic straw as something normal. In advertisement, in cafe, in food restaurants, they were everywhere. Nobody questioned them. People thought of them as convenient, clean, and harmless. And the language used around plastic straw was simple, like disposable, cheap, and one-time use. But words like these are dangerous because they hide the real impact of plastic. Then something happened. A video went viral. In that video, a sea turtle was struggling because of plastic straw. It was stuck deep in its nose, so it was sent to watch. But the real power this didn't come from the video, but it came from the power. It came from the word that followed. Many people share our phrases like one straw can kill one turtle, or say no to plastic, or stop sucking the dry ocean, or something like that. They are powerful. Emotional message were shared a million of times across social media, and they can change the way people felt about something small as a straw. Suddenly, plastic straw no longer harmless. That's the moment that they become a symbol of pollution and carelessness. That's the moment when paper straw entered the picture. They were introduced as an alternative and thinking some safe and something better for the environment. But here the important part. The reason people weren't willing to switch to paper straw, it was not because the straw were amazing. The straw themselves were amazing. It was because the story of behind them, the story of created correct language. So this is what ecolinguistics study: how story, how word, and how phrases can change the way we see everyday things. A paper straw is just a piece, a roll up paper. But what if it's connected to words like save the sea or reduce waste or something like that? It becomes something big, and it becomes a symbol of care, of change, or of responsibility. That's the power of language. So ecolinguistics say the word can change how people think and how people act. For the example, the word responsible sounds like okay, yeah, but what if we say non-degradable plastic? It sounds like more serious. The plastic is same, but the words can change how we feel different. Another example, people used to natural disaster, but some say natural disaster because many disasters because many disasters were made worse by humans. This, the new word, can help us to see the truth. Now back to pepper stew. Some people say pepper stew is not strong or soft. That's true, but this stew is not just for drinking. It also shows some message like I can help the earth or I want to protect the ocean or something like that. Without words, it's just a pepper, but if with words like save the sea or plastic free or something like that, it becomes something big. That's why word is important. If we want to change or if we want to help the earth, we must change how we speak about it. Maybe that's it for me. Sorry for mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.